had a great time when we visited Puerto Rico. It's a fun place with lots to do. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about 3 fun activities that you can do the next time you're in Puerto Rico. And I'll link to the places that are talked about in this video in the comments section below. But first, I'm Cassandra from Passport and Soul. And at Passport and Soul, we help travelers of color travel soulfully and with ease. Now back to the video. I don't know what this says about the two of us, but hands down, our favorite activity when we visited Puerto Rico was going to Casa Barcardi. We took a tour and we learned all about the history of the Barcardi family. We got to taste a wide variety of rums, and best of all, we had a class where we learned how to make both mojitos and pina coladas. And of course, you get to drink everything that it is that you made. Here's a quick video of the mixology class. There's beautiful, beautiful landscaping and an outside area where you can drink, play games like cornhole, and eat light snacks. The types of activities you can do, of course, depends on the type of ticket that you buy. And of course, they have a store on site. But all in all, Casa Barcardi is a great way to pass the time. Now, our next activity was visiting Castillo San Felipe de Morro, otherwise known as El Morro. El Morro was built by the Spanish and was completed around 1790 and faces the Atlantic Ocean. Inside, we were able to see guns and cannons and cannonballs and all other kinds of assorted military paraphernalia. We learned a little bit about how soldiers would easily get from one part of the fort to another. And I have to say, the views were stunning as the water is crystal clear and it is a beautiful, beautiful shade of blue. Here's a quick video of the water by El Morro. It was so peaceful. But bear in mind, it can be really, really hot, so bring your sun gear and some water. Now, after you finish inside of El Morro, if you're feeling up to it, you can walk back to the historic part of Old San Juan via the Paso de Morro National Recreational Trail, which goes all the way around the base of the fort. And the views there, as you can see, are spectacular as well. Now, our final activity for this video is visiting the Museo de Arte de Puerto Rico. The Museo was inaugurated in 2000, although the plans for it started as early as 1995. So it's been around for quite some time. Inside of the museum, you'll find a variety of beautiful and colorful works of art, as you see. Now, you may not know, but one of my hobbies is hand embroidery. So I was particularly struck by the beauty of a work of art called The Woman Bullfighter by Elsa Maria Melendez. Up close, you could see all of the individual threads that she used to create the picture of the female bullfighter wrangling the view. It was absolutely breathtaking. And once you finish viewing all of the art inside of the museum, you can take a stroll around the museum's gardens to view the beautiful landscaping and sculptures. So, that's it. 3 fun activities to do the next time you're in Puerto Rico. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the Passport and Soul channel, and forward this video on to someone else. Until next time.